Guangdong Chun Mu Clothing Company, Limited is located in Daolang Town, Dongguan City, a famous town in Maoshan, China. It is a large-scale enterprise integrating design, production, and sales. The company is mainly engaged in the design, production, and sales of high-end sweaters, clothing and apparel. With advanced equipment, neat and clean production, warm and comfortable office environment, perfect system and excellent quality, it has become a functional production workshop for many international first-line platforms. There is no miracle, only hard work. Every sweat is just for customers to use ordinary work, keep improving and love our friendly selection of high-quality yarns. There is no shortcut to the road of being high-end with the spirit of craftsmanship. Only by persisting day after day, grasping every detail with heart. Warming people's hearts with ingenuity, exceeding expectations, living up to the trust, and serving every customer well. Welcome customers at home and abroad to visit and negotiate business.